Welcome to class 4. This is your math class of chapter number 3. Exercise 3rd B. This is session 8 video of this one chapter. Already in previous video in session 7 we have finished up to question number 3. But today session 8 we are starting question number 4. You can see on the screen. Write the smallest number first and then write the largest number. It means we have to write firstly in this blank smallest number, and then secondly means after second column we have to write largest number. Okay, so let us see first part. It is given 67,68,699. It is 7,37,496. 23,55,321. This is 64,792, and this one 6,01,333. Here you can see two numbers are coming up to 10 lakh place, and these two number are coming up to lakh place, and one number it is coming up to 10,000 place only. So 10,000 it is less by lakh place and 10 lakh also. So which one will be the smallest number? Because here 64,792 it will be the smallest number. Why? Because it's having lakh place 0 and 10 lakh place also 0. Okay, and other having lakh place 7, here 6, and here is lakh place 7, and here is 7, and 10 lakh place also having other number. Okay, so it is given up to 10,000 place only. So smallest number what will be? 64,792. Okay, so write here upside small s. Okay, it means smallest number, and write in first column. Got it? 64,792. Okay. Next, we will find largest number also. So which one will be largest number in this? As we know very well, it is given up to 1000 place, so leave this, and it is given up to lakh place only, these two numbers, so leave these number also. So we will check only up to 10 lakh place, because 10 lakh is bigger by lakh. Okay, so here is given 67 lakh, this number, and this one is given 23 lakh. 67 is bigger by 23. So which one will be the largest number? This one only, and here you can write capital L. This one will be largest number. Okay, and smallest number what was coming? This one 64,792. Okay, so as you can see, firstly we will write 64,792. Next, largest number 67 lakh. Okay, 68,999. Got it? Similarly, next part also. Firstly check the place up to how much given? 45,207, 55,473. This is given up to lakh place 1,23,500. This is given up to 10 lakh place 11,23,500, and this is given 11,500 only. So here three numbers are given. Which one? This one, and this one. These numbers are given up to 10,000 place, and other two number lakh place, and this one 10 lakh place. So 10,000 is smaller by lakh or 10 lakh. So we will check only in these three number. Okay. 45,207, 55,473 and 11,500. Here 10,000 place 45 coming, here 10,000 place 55 coming, and here 10,000 place 11 is coming. Which one is smaller? 11 only. So smallest number it one will be only. Okay. So firstly smallest number what is coming? 11,500. Got it? So here you can write S, capital S. Okay. And next in these we will check it is given up to 1 lakh and is given up to 10 lakh. So 10 lakh is bigger by lakh place. So here which one will be the largest? 11,23,500. Here you can write capital L. L for largest and S for smallest. Okay. And write the number also. Smallest number. Firstly we have to write smallest number. No? So here write 11,500. Okay. Next largest number 11,23,500. Okay. Now look at the C part. In this question, all numbers are given up to crore place. So let us see crore place what is given. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Means all number having crore place what is 7 only. So all are equal. So we have to check up to 10 lakh place. What is given next place? You can see here is 60 lakh, 50 lakh, 60 lakh, 40 lakh and 60 lakh. In all these number which is coming smaller? 40 only. So smallest number this one only will be, because firstly we have to find smallest number. Okay. So it is smallest number 7 crore 40 lakh 60,501. Okay. Now after that we have to check largest number. Okay. So other number you have to leave this number, and other number we have to check which one having up to 10 lakh place coming more. Here 60, this one 50, this one number 60 and next 60. So here 50 is less, so leave this because it is the smaller by 60, and other number having up to 10 lakh place 60 only. So all are equal. So we have to check next place more. Here up to 10,000 place check. It is 50 and up to 10,000 place here is what is given 40, and this one is 60. Here you can see 40 and 50 are less by 60. So which one will be the largest number? This one only. Okay. So smallest number 7 crore 40 lakh 60,501, and next 7 crore largest number 7 crore 60 lakh 60,601. And you can arrange smallest number in this blank and second largest number right in this column. Okay. Got it? So as I done these part, similarly you can do D, E and F part. Okay. Now let us see next question. What is given? Here see this. Question number 5. Write in ascending order. Ascending order means what? Smaller to bigger number. Okay. So let us see here. Find which one is the smallest number. Here also we will find the number according to their place only. Okay. And compare also. You can see first number 52,572 and it is given 45,678, and it is given up to lakh place 3,34,571, and it is 33,795, 2,37,691. We can see clearly here three number are given up to how much? 1000 please. these three number, and two other number are given up to lakh place. So 10,000, it is smaller by lakh, so we have to check in up to 1,000 place only. It is 52,000, this is 45,000, and this is 33,000. Which one is the smaller? 33. So first one number will be this one only. Okay, and you can write upside 1 also. By that we can easily write number, means we can write in order also. Second, 45,000, it is smaller by 52, so write here 2, and third one is 52,000. Now we have to check up to which one? Lakh place. Lakh place here is 3, and here lakh place 2. So 2 is smaller, so here write 4, and fifth one, last one, it is lakh. Okay. Now arrange these number into ascending order. We have to write in order also. So first one number what is coming? 33,000. Write here 33,795. Okay, then put comma. Second, 45,678. Then put comma here. Third is coming this one, 52,572, and fourth one is coming 2,37,691, and next fifth one is coming 3,34,571. Okay. Similarly, we will do next part also. As you can see, here all number are given up to how much place? It is given 5,80,000. It is 5,90,000. This one 63 lakh. It is given up to 10 lakh place, and this is also up to 10 lakh place, and this one also up to 10 lakh place. Okay. So firstly, which one will be the smallest number? Lakh is smaller by 10 lakh. So 5, and here also 5. Both are equal. Next place 80,000, and here 90,000. 80 is smaller, so first one will be this one only. Okay, and next second number 5,90,800. Okay. Next, in these up to 10 lakh place, which one is the smaller? 63 it is smaller, so write here 3. Okay. Next, in these up to 10 lakh place, 64 is smaller by 72, so fourth one will be this one only, and last it is left fifth one. Got it? Now you can arrange these number into ascending order. So first one will be this one only, write second part this one, third one it will write here, and fourth one 64,48,160, and last one 51 right here. Okay. So as I done this part, similarly you can do other remaining part also. And which one part you will do? These three part, C, D and E. These part I will give you as homework. Next, see question number 6. What is given? Write in descending order. Here also we will find which one is the smallest and bigger, but descending order, firstly we have to know what is descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller number. Here firstly we have to bigger number, then after smallest number. Okay. So clearly you can see first part 9,180, 18,270, it is 36 lakh 45,549. This is 63 lakh 72,810, and 18 lakh 27,930. We can see here first number, it is the smallest number. Okay. Here one number is given up to 1,000 place, and one number is given up to 10,000 place. So 10,000 it is bigger by 1,000. Okay. So first one it is the smallest only, but we are finding descending, so we have to find biggest number. Which one is the biggest number? Up to 10 lakh place 36, 63 and 80. 63 is bigger, so write here upside 1. And in these number up to 10 lakh place 36 is bigger by 18, so write here 2. Then after will be 18 lakh. Okay, 27,930. Now in these 1000 and this is given up to 10,000. So 10,000 is bigger by 1000. So write here 4 and next one what will be 51 number. Okay. Now we can write these number into descending order. As you can see, first one what is coming? 63 lakh 72,810. Okay, put comma here. Second, 36 lakh 45,000 here and 549. Third one what is coming? 18 lakh 27,930. Okay. Fourth one is coming 18,270, comma last one 9,180. You can arrange these number like this only. Okay. Similarly, next part also we will do this as I done first part. B part also like this only. See this. In this 15,000, 26,000, 9,000, 81 lakh and this is 70,000. One number is coming up to 10 lakh and other number are coming, other three number are coming up to 10,000 and one is coming up to 1,000 only. So we are finding here descending order. So we have to write firstly biggest number. So in these up to 10 lakh it will be only biggest number. So write upside 1 here. Now check up to 10,000 because 10,000 is bigger by 1,000 place. Okay. So 26, 15 and here is 17. So 26 is the bigger number. So write upside 2. And here 10,000 plus 15 and here is 17. So 17 is bigger. So write here 3. And here 15 it will be fourth one. And last one what is left? 9,000. So write here fifth one. Okay. Now you can write into descending order. So bigger to smaller number. Firstly bigger number 81 lakh. Okay. How many 0 will be? 50. Then put comma. Second is coming 26,000. Third is coming 17,000. Fourth is coming 15,000 and last is coming 9,000. Okay. So as I done this part, similarly you will do C, D and E part. This part will be your homework. Okay. Let us see this next question. It is given 7. Make the greatest and the smallest number using all the given digit. As digit are given, we have to make greatest number and smallest number by using given digits only. Okay. So as we know very well, when we are making greatest number, then always write digit into descending order, and when we are finding smallest number, then write digit into ascending order, means smaller to bigger. Okay. So firstly here what is given column? Greatest number. Okay. So greatest number, what did I tell? It is descending order, means bigger to smaller number. So in this number you can see which one is the bigger number? 9. Okay. Now let this other number. In this which one is the bigger number? Here is 7. Okay. So write here 7. Then after what is 5? And 5 is over. Then after 3 is the bigger. And then last what is left? 1. So what is coming bigger number? Means greatest number? 97,531. Now smallest number, it is just opposite of greatest number. We can write like this also, smaller number 1, then after 3, okay, then after 5, then 7, and last is 9. So here you can see order what is coming, smaller to bigger number. It is also ascending order. Okay. Similarly, next part also, here is 68204, greatest number. So firstly biggest number what is 8. 8 is over, then after 6. 6 also over, then after 4 is the biggest. Cut this. Now left 2 is bigger, and last what is left, 0 only. Okay. So here write 8642 and 0. Required greatest number, it is coming 86,420. And then next smallest number what will be? Always remember here, when we are finding smallest number, then write the smallest number, start with smallest number. But here you can see 0 is coming, so we have to write 0 in next place. Okay. 0 after smallest number what is? 2. Always write in second place. Then after 0 will be. Okay. Then after smallest number 4. 4 after what is? 6, and 6 after 8. So it is coming 20,468. Okay. Similarly, C part also. In these number, which one is the biggest number? 9. 9 after 8. 8 after 7 is given. 7 after 5 is given. 5 after 3, and 3 after 2 is given. So required number what is coming here? It is coming 9,87,532. Okay. Now here 0 not given, so we can write directly greatest opposite smallest number from right side only. Okay. So smallest number 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 5, 5 after 7, 7 after 8, and then after 9. So it is coming which one order? Ascending order. Okay. Required smallest number 2,35,789. Got it? So as I done these A, B and C part, similarly you will do D and E part. These both part will be as your homework only. Clear? So till for today this is enough only, student, because till here your exercise 3rd B it is over, and your chapter 3rd also over. Clear? So student, I request to all, do practice of exercise 3rd B properly, and your homework also properly in your homework notebook. So now thank you students. Have a nice day.